Welcome to Daily Small Talk Shadowing for A2 to B1 learners. Listen, then repeat right after each line. Copy the rhythm and intonation, and keep your pronunciation clear. You will hear two voices, Alex and Maya, in a simple daily chat. Ready? Let's start with key phrases. Hello.
Hi there.
Good morning.
Nice to meet you.
How are you today?
I'm doing well.
I'm a little tired.
What's new?
Not much.
Please.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
Excuse me.
No worries.
Could you help me?
Just a second.
Later today.
Maybe tomorrow.
I'm not sure yet.
I think so.
What do you mean?
Could you repeat that?
Say it slowly, please.
I understand.
I don't understand.
How do you spell it?
By the way,
Actually.
that sounds good to me.
Take care.
Good morning, Maya. Did you sleep well?
I slept okay, but I woke up early.
I'm glad you're here. The cafe is quiet today.
Yes, it feels calm and the music is soft.
Do you want coffee or tea this morning?
I'll take a small coffee with milk, please.
I'll order for us, and I'll grab a table by the window.
Thanks, Alex. The window seat is my favorite.
While we wait, how is your day going so far?
It's starting slowly, and I like that.
Same here. I don't want to rush today.
What are you working on these days?
I'm preparing a short presentation for my team.
That sounds useful. Are you nervous about it?
A little, but I can practice before Friday.
You can do it, and I can listen if you want.
That would help me a lot. Thank you.
No problem. I enjoy supporting friends.
By the way, the weather looks cold outside.
Yes, I forgot my gloves, and my hands are freezing.
After coffee, we can stop at the shop near the station.
Great, I need warm socks too.
Here comes the barista with our drinks.
It smells amazing. I'm ready for the first sip.
Let's enjoy this moment for a minute.
Okay, and then tell me about your weekend plans.
On Saturday, I'm visiting my sister in the city center.
Nice. What will you do together?
We'll walk around, and we'll try a new bakery.
I love bakeries. The smell of fresh bread makes me happy.
On Sunday, I want to relax at home and read.
What book are you reading right now?
I'm reading a simple novel to improve my vocabulary.
That's smart. Reading a little every day really works.
And you? Do you have any plans this weekend?
I'm meeting a friend for lunch, and we might see a movie.
Do you know what kind of movie you want?
Maybe a comedy because I want to laugh.
A comedy sounds perfect after a long week.
Speaking of long weeks, how was your commute today?
The bus was late, so I walked the last 10 minutes.
Walking can be annoying, but it can also clear your mind.
True, I noticed the sky, and it looked bright.
I noticed that too. The clouds moved quickly.
Do you ever listen to podcasts when you walk?
Yes, I listen to English podcasts to train my ear.
That's exactly why we're doing shadowing today.
Shadowing helps me speak faster, but still clearly.
I like it because I can copy intonation and stress.
When you copy stress, your English sounds more natural.
Sometimes I mix up words, but I keep going.
That's the right attitude. Mistakes are part of learning.
If I don't know a word, I try to guess from context.
And later you can check it in a dictionary.
Exactly. Small steps every day make big progress.
What topic do you like to talk about in English?
I like talking about food, travel, and simple daily routines.
Travel is fun. What place do you want to visit next?
I want to visit London because I can practice English there.
Great choice. People speak quickly, but you'll adapt.
I hope so. I also want to ask for directions confidently.
We can practice that with short questions and clear answers.
For example, I can say, "Where is the nearest station?"
And I can answer, it's straight ahead on the left.
Perfect. That is simple and useful. Quick quiz. Choose the best reply to, "How are you today?" Choose the best answer.
Quick quiz. What does commute mean? Choose the best answer.
Quick quiz. Fill the blank. Could you underscore that? Choose the best answer.
Quick quiz. Which phrase is the most polite to ask for help? Choose the best answer.
Quick quiz. Pick the best small talk opener at a cafe. Choose the best answer.
Quick quiz. Choose the correct word. I underscore a small coffee with milk. Choose the best answer.
Quick quiz. Best reply to, "Is this seat taken?" Choose the best answer.
Quick quiz. What does refill mean here? Choose the best answer.
Quick quiz. Choose the phrase that means you are unsure. Choose the best answer.
Quick quiz. Which sentence ends a conversation politely? Choose the best answer.
Great job. You practiced real small talk with clear, slow English.
Repeat this lesson daily, and your confidence will grow.
Focus on rhythm. Stress the key word in each sentence.
Try one new phrase today in a real conversation.
See you next time. Take care.